Today we're making Turkish no-bake milk pudding or muhallebi. It serves 6 people and the prep takes 20 minutes, plus 4 hours to chill. Let's dive in and make this silky, rose-scented dessert. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. 4 cups whole milk. This is the base for our pudding. 1/2 cup granulated sugar for sweetness. 6 tablespoons cornstarch to thicken the pudding. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter for richness. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract for aroma. 1 teaspoon rose water for that classic Turkish touch. 1 pinch of fine salt to balance the flavors. 1/4 cup finely ground pistachios for garnish. 2 tablespoons unsweetened desiccated coconut for garnish. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon to finish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Line an 8-inch square dish with parchment paper, leaving 2 flaps so you can lift the pudding out later. In a bowl, whisk 6 tablespoons of cornstarch with 1 cup of cold milk until perfectly smooth, with no lumps. In a saucepan, add the remaining 3 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1 pinch of fine salt, then stir to dissolve. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring it to a gentle simmer, stirring often so the bottom doesn't scorch. Slowly pour in the cornstarch mixture while whisking constantly to avoid lumps. Keep cooking and stirring non-stop until the mixture is thick and bubbling, about 6 to 8 minutes, then lower the heat to low. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, stirring until the butter melts and the mixture turns silky. Take the pan off the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of rose water. Immediately pour the pudding into the prepared dish. Tap the dish to release bubbles and smooth the top with a spatula. Let the dish cool at room temperature for 20 minutes. Cover the dish and refrigerate until fully set, at least 4 hours. Use the parchment overhang to lift the chilled pudding out and set it on a cutting board. Cut the pudding into 6 even rectangles, then sprinkle evenly with 1/4 cup finely ground pistachios, 2 tablespoons desiccated coconut, and 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Plate the pieces and serve them chilled. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this no-bake Turkish dessert, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a recipe.